In a world driven by data, the heart of technology beats in the data centers. Are you ready to elevate your skills from CCNP to CCIE Data Center and become a master in this crucial domain? The journey from CCNP to CCIE Data Center is one of transformation, a path that takes you from proficient to expert, from knowledgeable to visionary. Our comprehensive program is designed to empower you with a deep, hands-on understanding of complex data center networks. You can pursue a CCNP to CCIE Data Center Master Program from Networkings. But why Networkings? Networkings offers CCNP to CCIE Data Center training where you can learn from industry experts who made this journey leveraging their CCIE certification to unlock new prospects and drive innovation in their organizations. You can get the world's largest virtual labs. You can get access to video lectures where you can learn flexibly. With a CCNP to CCIE Data Center certification, you are not just improving your resume, you are opening doors to advanced roles, higher salaries, and the respect of being at the top of your field. There are roles like Data Center Network Engineer, Network Administrator, Network Architect, Cloud Infrastructure Engineer, and Virtualization Engineer. Are you ready to take this transformative step in your career? To not just witness the future of data center technology, but to shape it? Join us. The path from CCNP to CCIE Data Center begins here. Enroll now and mark the beginning of your journey to becoming a CCIE Data Center expert.